Welcome back everybody to the Crypto Ellis channel. In today's video I'm going to bring to your attention my top 3 user-friendly, low fees, high volume cryptocurrency exchanges. Also we're going to take a look at the cryptocurrency market because it is going up today. But before we go any further, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're always notified every time I upload to the channel. So the reason I'm making this video is because of this right here. A lot of the new users coming into the cryptocurrency space, they go to Coinbase first, and the fees on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase in general are super high compared to a lot of other cryptocurrency exchanges. So I just want to make this video and let a lot of people know that there are other exchanges that have got lower fees that they can go to. So the market today is looking super healthy. We've got the market cap at $371.8 billion. We've got Bitcoin just over $11,930. We've got Ethereum at $442. XRP is still just above the 30 cents mark. A lot of cryptocurrencies today in the green. I believe that we could see the market cap go over 400 billion in this next upcoming week, and we could see Bitcoin go above $12,000 and stay above $12,000. And if that happens, then we could easily see the market shoot up in the next few weeks from $12,000 Bitcoin to around $14,000 to $15,000 Bitcoin, from $400 billion market cap to $500, maybe $600 billion market cap, in my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research, but the market is looking super healthy right now in general. So this is a good sign for the cryptocurrency market, and it's a good sign for a potential bull run that we could potentially have. But of course, cryptocurrency market is always volatile, so always make sure that you are doing everything correctly. Always make sure that you have not put all of your money into the cryptocurrency space, because you never know, it might just shoot up one day and then shoot back down the next day. So always do your own research. Okay, let's get into the first cryptocurrency exchange I want to talk to you about today. So the first one we're going to talk about is QCoin Exchange. QCoin Exchange is a exchange that's been around all the way since 2017/2018, and as you can see right here, they've got loads of transactions per day over on their site. So when you come over here, it's going to be very easy for you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Also, they've got earn, so you can lend on here, you can get into staking and mining pools, you can do soft staking, you can get bonuses from holding their token. If you want to refer your friends, you can refer your friends. If you want to become an affiliate, you can become an affiliate. They've also got the futures, so Light Pro. They've got trading, which is spot trading, instant exchange and margin trading. You can also buy crypto with your credit card. You can do it with best bid, zero fee, as you can see right here, for fast trade. Third payments with SimpleX, Paymare and other ones like that. And then as you can see right here, they've got a lot of stuff going on with this platform. The instant exchange is really good as well, because if you go onto the instant exchange, as you see right here, you can buy the top 10 popular cryptocurrencies in the world. And if we go all the way down here quickly, the advantage is zero trading fees. So when you buy the cryptocurrencies on the instant exchange, there'll be zero trading fees. And then the fees for QCoin Exchange are like this. So we saw on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, the fees were 0.5. Over on QCoin Exchange, the fee is 0.1, and then if you use the KCS token, which is their platform token, to pay for the fees go down to 0.08. I'm just doing zero level because this is for the new people that are coming onto this exchange for the first time ever. So very good exchange, high volume, user friendly, and it's also got a lot of other benefits with the earning and the futures and the instant exchange on this platform. Okay, let's go and talk about the next exchange. The second one is the Crypto.com app. The Crypto.com app has a lot of added benefits than just the zero trading fees. There's no trading fees on their application, which is fantastic for a new person coming into the cryptocurrency space. Also, it's probably the easiest application to use, and it's the easiest sign up for a new person coming into the cryptocurrency space. And right now they've got 0% credit card fees over on their application. So if you want to go onto their application and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything like that with a credit card, you can do it because of the 0% fee, which is waived right now. So what are the added benefits that they've got? So one of the benefits is it's an application. You can literally use this anywhere around the world. If you want to buy some crypto on holiday, you can use it. If you want to buy some crypto from home, you can use it. If you want to buy some crypto at work, you can use this application anywhere around the world. Buy over 55 coins at true cost, no fees, no markups. Also, they have a card. You can earn on it, so you can do crypto deposits, you can earn interest on their application. You can get credit on that application, so you can get an instant loan. You can pay with the application. Also, there's a wallet, your keys, your cryptocurrency. So it's pretty much everything is in one place. So the only place to buy crypto at true cost, buy and sell 7 fiat and 55 cryptocurrencies, access, manage, and spend your funds with the MCO Visa card anytime, anywhere. Buy top up with a bank transfer, debit, or credit card, or crypto. And then you can buy crypto with a fiat wallet because you have a fiat wallet on here as well. So everything is literally in the same place. You can send crypto to Crypto.com app users with no fees and it'll be instant. So if your friend's using this application, you can send it to them instantly with no fees, and you can withdraw to external cryptocurrency wallets, but there is a small fee with that. You can track over 200 coins, their prices, how they're going in the market, their volume, all of that stuff on their application. And these are the fees down here, 0%, 0%, 0%. And there's only a fee if you want to withdraw it to an external wallet. Also, at the moment, they are having a token swap. So if you're holding their MCO token, you do need to do the token swap before the 2nd of November. Then if you want to get an added bonus, you need to do the token swap before the 2nd of September. I've made a full video on my YouTube channel on what the token swap is. And I've also made a more in-depth video on what Crypto.com is with their application and all of that. So if you want to watch that, go and watch it on my channel. So let's get into the third and final cryptocurrency exchange that I want to talk to you about today. The final one is the Binance Exchange. I know there's a lot of up and coming cryptocurrency platforms / exchanges that are saying they're going to do 0% trading fees, but a lot of these have already been developed, but they don't really have the volume right now. So these three that I've mentioned in this video are already developed. They've already got a user base and they've already got a lot of volume on their platform. So that is why I've mentioned these three in today's video. Let me know down below in the comment section before we talk about Binance if I've missed out any other cryptocurrency exchange platforms that have the volume, that are user friendly, and that also have like low trading fees. Let me know down below in the video description, in the video comment section. So Binance is used by a lot of people. It is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange in the world. They also do a lot of airdrops. So if you are on the Binance Exchange and you're holding the Binance token, you can get involved in a lot of airdrops that they do. Also, they've got their savings on here. They've got the stake in the Binance pool. You can buy cryptocurrencies with a debit card. You can get cryptocurrency loans on here. There's a lot of stuff on this platform that you can do once you've become a more advanced member. So this video is for advanced people, and it's also for people are new coming into the cryptocurrency space. But if you're new coming into the cryptocurrency space, once you've got more advanced, you can take benefit of all of these added features that they do have: the staking, the Binance pool, the savings, the advanced trading, the futures. So Binance is the best cryptocurrency exchange in the world right now, in my personal opinion. But I believe that the Crypto.com app is the more user-friendly one, the more available one that you can literally just download the app and just sign up straight away. So Binance has a lot of volume. The user face, as you can see right here, is very user-friendly. So new people coming on here can understand what's going on. They have a mobile application, they've got desktop, and then as you can see down here as well, you can get in touch with them really easily and quickly. And then if we go over to the fees, so these are the fees. So with QCoin, we saw that if you hold their token, you can get lower fees. It's the same with Binance. So the Binance fees right now are 0.1 for a VIP 0, which is just any user that's coming onto their website. And then if you use the Binance token, you get 25% off. And then as you can see right here, you get more off over here as well. So 0.07 and then 0.06. And then the more you go up in volume, trading on their platform, the lower the fees do become. So yeah, Coinbase is not a goer. because I believe the fees are too high for the new people coming into the cryptocurrency space and anybody in the cryptocurrency space. I believe the Coinbase fees are too high. I believe they do that because they know that the newbies are going to come to them first, because that is the more well-known newbie like cryptocurrency exchange. It is Coinbase. But when people find out about Binance, QCoin Exchange, the Cryptocom App, and any other ones that people mentioned down below in the comment section, I believe a lot of the new users will go over to these cryptocurrency platforms. And as you can see, they've already got a lot of volume, user friendly, and low fees for the new users coming over to their platform. And also, I didn't mention it in this video, the withdrawal fees on all of these platforms and like the deposit fees are super low for the free platforms that I have mentioned in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're always notified every time I upload to the channel. And let me know down below in the comment section what you thought of this video and which cryptocurrency exchange are you using right now. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good day.